She was made to beat.
Yo, Bag Lips, this song is not for you. For you, throw it in, let's go.
What's up, I am until I'm throwing in a hammer. It's a GBH lifestyle. Fuck you, cancer and mud jugs, snuff skins, buckle on the Instagram. People shout natty lips is the man. Dipping lately, I'm dipping crazy with dipping daisy, cause this dip's amazing. I'm never quitting up dipping till I'm 80. Whoa. I put a lip up in my dip, up in my mouth jaw, kicking it with hillbilly, shout outs to outlaw. Fuck all these flakes, probably drinking on my dip spit. We don't pop mollies, bitch, we popping out the tin lids. I get it, this spit it blacker than an African. Offer me a pin, say goodbye to like half a 10. Pack it like it's magic, I'm packing, backed up in traffic. I'm packing, rapping with passion. You pack a house, I pack in a mansion.
Holy fuck.
My lip enormous, you would think I am a pelican. I'm rolling with like 3 whores and I'm about to get it in. I'm back for more, yeah, bitch, I gotta have it all you rap about is packing lips and fucking Adderall. Fucking vaginal, like shout-outs to the dip sluts and every chick rapping Natty squad with a big butt. I'm packing, I get it, I'm stupid, I'm retarded. I'm packing, I dip it, I do it up in the car when I'm blowing coke lines, packing lips, winning like I'm Charlie Sheen. You ain't heard a dipper go as hard as me. Walking into Eddie's mind, see I'm a straight up lunatic. I'm stabbing instrumentals that I rhyme like Ray Lewis did at San Francisco 49, cause y'all about to lose.